Now we will try to understand about IoT architecture and IoT devices. Architecture technology mainly consists of four components: sensors, devices. Sensors devices are the hardware components which are the basic part of any IoT module. Sensor senses the data, real-time data, and they provide that particular data to the Arduino devices. Gateways and networks. Gateways are basically interfacing devices which are present in IoT modules, and networks are communication from one place or one device to another device happens using the networks. And then cloud and management service layer is there. Cloud means if one module of IoT is completed, let's say using the temperature sensor, and the another module is completed using the IR sensor, then in that particular case we need to send the data from one module to the another module, and in that particular case the cloud or the management service layer is needed. And the application layer is the peripheral layer using which we are interacting with the system. So this is how the components of an IoT module helps to build that IoT module: sensors, devices, gateways, and the cloud. So gateway shown over here is a kind of the router. So which is like router, there can be switch, hub, and another devices which can be used as a gateway. So now when we talk about the architecture, at that moment of time, the first thing is sensors and actuators. Sensors basically sense the data like pressure sensor, gas sensor. Actuators are actually providing the mechanical motion to the objects. Now, see, sensors and actuators are the devices that are able to emit, accept, and process the data over the network. Gateways and data acquisition need the high-speed gateway and network to transfer the data. That is the need of the IoT project or IoT module. Edge information technology. Edge in the IoT architecture is the hardware and software gateways that analyze and pre-process the data before transferring it to the cloud. So after gathering a lot of data by the sensors and actuators, it is not only about the data set that we are capturing or the data set that we are storing. It is also about working on that particular data to take the smart decisions. Because let's say in case of smart home, we know that one module is dependent on the another module. So analysis and pre-processing of the data is needed. Data center and cloud. It comes under the management service which processes the information. Cloud transfer the data to the end user applications. So this is the diagrammatic representation of the four-stage IoT solution architecture. So IoT devices will continue in the next video.